Hi friends, Sam here with Happily Hooked. So today we have a new stitch tutorial. We are doing the crossed half double crochet. So this is similar to like the X stitch or something like that, but this one's really fun. I love cross stitches. I think they're so much fun. I love the texture of them. They are fantastic for like washcloths, which I tend to say with a lot of stitches, but that's something I recommend doing if you're going to try a new stitch, to make a washcloth with it, because you'll be able to see it better in a small square without having to waste a ton of yarn. It's beautiful for like accents along the tops of cardigans or sweaters or things like that as well. But yeah, so I'm gonna grab my yarn and my hook and I'm gonna show you guys how to do the crossed half double crochet. Hi friends, don't forget, when you click the link below and subscribe today to join Happily Hooked magazine, not only are you getting access to the coolest crochet community on the internet, you're also getting this amazing project bag that I use every single day and these ergonomic hooks. So click the link below, subscribe today, and I cannot wait to see you in the community. Alright, so today we are going to be doing the crossed half double crochet. So this is a pretty simple, really easy to do stitch. It's one of my favorites, but I like cross stitches. I think they're a lot of fun. So we are just going to create our slip knot, and then we're going to chain an even number of stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we've got 16 chains, and then we are going to half double crochet in the third chain. So 1, 2, 3, and then every stitch across. And this is just how we will start row 1, is just a row of half double crochets. So we have our row of half double crochets, and then we're going to chain 2. So I already chained 1, so we chain 2 and we turn, and then we're going to skip this first stitch and we're going to half double crochet in the second, and then we are going to half double crochet in the stitch that we skipped. So then we go back and half double crochet in that one, and then we will we'll skip the next stitch and half double crochet in the next one, and then go back and half double crochet in the stitch that we skipped, and then skip the next one and half double crochet, and then half double crochet in the stitch that we skipped. And we're just going to keep doing this all the way till we get to the end. And so this is what it looks like with the half double crochets. Ignore my nails in this. I was in my garden, so they're a little bit dirty. But so this is what they start looking like. And then you would just repeat that row over and over again. So you skip the first one, and then you skip, and then you skip, and you just keep doing that, and it creates this beautiful texture. This is another really good one for washcloths or cardigans or scarves, but it creates a beautiful texture. I've used this on like shoulders of cardigans. I think it's really fun. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. So you just keep going and it'll keep creating this beautiful pattern. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. If you've ever used this one before, I'd love to hear from you. Tell me what you made. And if you have any questions, leave those down there too. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye!